Find the slope of the line containing each pair of points. If it is undefined, state this. The points we're looking at are 4, 7 and 4, -8. To calculate the slope, we calculate the rise over the run. The rise would be the difference in the y coordinates, -8 minus 7. And the run is the difference in the x coordinates, 4 minus 4. In the numerator, we have -8 plus a -7, which is -15. And in the denominator, we have 4 minus 4, which is 0. Now remember what this means. This means -15 divided by 0. Division by 0 is undefined. If your denominator is 0, then you have to say that the slope is undefined. And remember, that's when you have a denominator of 0.